It's a little late already, but I just wanted to harvest some kumquats for our Lunar New Year's Eve dinner. They are supposed to be lucky fruits. Kumquat trees are usually like so prolific. Look at the fruits. Lots of fruits. You can also make them into candied kumquats. Here's my kumquat harvest. With kumquats, you have to eat the entire fruit because the outside is sweet and the inside is sour. The nectarplum has flowers. I'll show you. They have gorgeous blooms. Look at the lemons. It's dark already, but this is a nectarplum tree with the gorgeous flowers. This is an apple tree. And my kumquat harvest. It is raining today, so I am making fish soup for lunch. I have here like radish and tomatoes, and then okra and eggplant, and then the sour. This is sour soup. This is a typical Filipino soup, like sour soup, which is like so comforting when it's raining. Today is a holiday, it's President's Day, and I am cooking a lunch. Boiling eggplant for our lunch. I need to put the eggplant first to make sure that they don't burst when in the boiler. Rice is ready. I'm cooking soup and then also boiling eggplant. I like eggplant omelette with the soup. Let's check our eggplant. Oh, our eggplant is ready. Here's the broiled eggplant. Oh, maybe this side. Oh no, actually, maybe let's broil more, like this side. It's nice when it has that like charred like taste. And then I have here okra, eggplant, and salmon. Let's put the salmon first. And then the vegetables. Yeah. And then this like soup mix. Let's make it like really sour. Here's our soup. Salmon soup. I just need to peel off the skin of this eggplant. Oops. That's the first one. I really love this recipe actually. This is super simple to make, but it tastes so good. Eggplant omelette. I like it with just eggplant and eggs because sometimes in restaurants they put like ground meat. I don't like that like version. I just want it like simple with just eggplant and eggs. I am using 3 eggs. Our fridge is so filled up because we are preparing Chinese or like Lunar New Year and later. So I'll use all this like 4 eggs. So tomorrow is Lunar New Year. A little bit of salt. This one. I think this is hot enough. Let's add the eggplant. The other one. And here's the eggplant omelette. Soup is ready. Perfect on this cold, rainy winter day. Hiking. We're taking an afternoon walk. What am I getting? I'm not sure what to get. Not sure what to get yet. Maybe this one. Cinnamon, banana bread, blueberry scone. I don't like scones. Maybe this one, small pie. Maple donut. Maple donut. Pastry, and here's my vale. This time it's cold. Last 2 times they were hot.
Right.
I'm having pastry and then the cold vale.
Look at the Mornay sauce.
Amazon Fresh. I need to get 13 round fruits, but we have 3 at home already, so only 10 round fruits. The dates are like, this one looks Let's get these. Capers. I need sugar in the raw. It's a little dark now. Here's my shopping haul at Amazon Fresh. I am preparing for our Lunar New Year's Eve dinner. I have the tikoy here, and now I'm making blueberry muffins. Hi Pichi! Josh is going to help me. Here are the muffins. I just need to bake this in the oven for about 22 minutes. While this is baking, I am going to cook pancit. 22 minutes. Now let's move on to pancit. Cooking lumpia here, but I covered it so it doesn't splatter. This is our tikoy, and this is from Tin, which is popular in the Philippines. We went to Chinatown 2 weeks ago to get some of our good luck stuff. This is our haul from Chinatown. We have this ang pao for like gifts, and then we have the good luck candies, and then this one too, good luck candies, and like our this one is Just like this. The bird wind chime. I wonder where to put this. That's the bird wind chime. These are more of our... There you go. Where do you want to put this? In the garden or like inside?
In the garden.
In the garden? Okay, let's check later. And then more of our like amulets for like based on our Chinese zodiac. With the three of us. And then what is this? Oh, this is, we got this for a friend. I haven't given this to. And this is also like an amulet. And then this is the one that we need to hang in the living room. I'll hang in the living room. And then we have this for the door. It's Year of the Fire Horse. I'll put this in our door later. And then this is the, one second. And this is the horse that we need to put in our living room. It's Year of the Fire Horse. Now I'm adding the vegetables, carrots, green beans, and celery. Here's the pancit. Let's put the other ingredients back. Husband cooked the shrimp in potato starch and topped with parsley from the backyard garden. Here's the decoy. Here I am steaming siopaw and siomai. Time to add the lucky candies. It has like this. New Year's Eve dinner is ready. 13 round fruits and 13 dishes. This is the shrimp that has been cooked. This is the eggplant, the pancit, decoy, mochi, siomai, siopaw, queso de bola, lumpiang Shanghai, mochi, and soup. Berries for the birds. Going to this place, Lalapan. This is an Indonesian restaurant menu. Entrees, rice noodles, soups.
Because it's made from coconut and condensed milk on top of it, yeah?
So maybe two.
Two of that?
And
Yeah,
Yeah.
you want it as a dessert or
as a drink.
As a
as a
drink.
drink? Okay.
Yes. This is your chendol. Yum yum.
This is the tamarind soup, comes from the number 18.
Thank you.
Husband's fried chicken. Yummy. This is my meal.
This is the egg omelette, stir-fry noodle, chicken skewers, and this is beef rendang with the chili shrimp paste and the pickled cucumber.
Thank you. Thank you.
Salamat.
What's your food then?
Excellent. The chicken is moist and the batter is very light.
Yeah, I love this one. This like thing here now from the chicken.
Mango dragon fruit lemonade as always.
Dad and I are having the new drinks. I'm having this like
Banana bread matcha.
matcha, and then husband is having this.
The double berry matcha.
Yes. Rapid ko. 12.99. I need mapo tofu. Let's get four. 6. I like this. Kimchi. This is the brand that we're using. The Bibigo. Let's look for the expiration date. I like chapjay. This is chapjay. We're here at Robics getting Josh. Thank you. It's the first Friday of Lent, and we got our vegetarian food from Tulsi. Here's what we ordered from Tulsi. What's that place, Josh?
Tulsi Kitchen.
Tulsi Kitchen, the Indian eatery. There you go. And then soup, and then we have, what is this called, Daddy? This is so
Pani Puri.
Pani Puri, and we have samosas.
That comes with a curry combo.
This one came with a curry combo, and this one too. And
That is the special dosa.
And then, yes.
Have an
Naan
extra
bread.
one.
Yum yum. Naan bread. Cooking branzino fillet for dinner. And then calamansi from the backyard garden. Squeezing some calamansi. Branzino with calamansi from the backyard garden. Let's eat.